Now it's around like
Kencang.
9:52 p.m. February 17, 2009 is my wife Abby just eat dinner and take a shower.
Ini alarm
Alarm
buat ibu sama si pumpkin, Debbie, the mother, and the baby. So nobody can take it, my baby.
because they have alarm.
Too many things in my hand.
Okay,
Baby sleeping.
you sleeping now?
There's baby,
She's sleeping.
isn't it? She's
Yes.
cute, isn't it?
It's my pumpkin. Bridget, her name. Bridget Richelieu.
She's so cute, isn't she?
Okay.
Let me take her with you. Okay, go ahead. No, steady. My baby girl.
Time to sleep now.
Time to sleep. You're so tired,
She's
honey.
sleep,
Thank you.
I'll sleep. Take care of my wife. After my baby came up to the world at 1:11 p.m. Take care of her. Take care of two girls here. Yeah. Now I have to
Okay.
take care of myself now to go sleep. Just give her food to my baby.
Where's your bed? Over there?
At my bed. My bed.
Already. I think it's better if you close the window, honey, so it's not getting cold. It's better if you close the window.
What's what?
The window.
The window had to put down.
Yeah.
Not too cold.
It's gonna be cold for you. Are you gonna need some blanket or something? Or socks?
I have socks.
Okay.
You good. Yeah.
Good night, baby.
Yeah.
And good night, pumpkin.
Hi. Ini gitu aja kasih. Itu pillow itu. Taruh pillowcase.
Time to sleep. So tired after a long day.
Bagus.
Ciao. See you tomorrow.